Welcome everybody to today's video. I've got a little bit different video today. The Gladius Mini is under repair, but I show you my lobster fishing workflow, which I'm sure some of you would like to see. And right here I show you the Ventura Harbor local hoop net regulations. So take a screenshot of that, and if you want to, be kosher with the Ventura Harbor Patrol. And right now, I know you guys are going to give me some flack by using the pot puller, but I've been pulling these pots for 10 years, and this thing sure saves it on my shoulders. I recently, on opening weekend, I brought my son and the 17-year-old neighbor friend, and I made him pull them all up. So now he knows what it's like. But we got limits that last weekend, and then this is a week after opening night. And so I show you my workflow, and I wanted to give you guys a few tips. There's lots of videos on the internet on how to set up the lobster hoops, and I've taken a hybrid of them all. One right there, if you could see the chain on the deck right there, that's 10 ounces, and I like it. It seems to work well to keep the end of the other rope down on the water, so you've got minimal amount of movement of the hoop net, which scares the lobsters. Now, what I also do to keep the glow stick up in the water, and is I drill into the buoy and I put some lead shot in there and I cap it with some epoxy. Works out really well, keeps the glow stick up at night so that they're really easy to see. And you see right there, I got one legal, so that's exciting. And so those are a couple tips right there. I'm gonna let you guys watch the video and watch the workflow and how much work it does take to get these lobsters. I know people are like, "Oh, I want some lobsters. Give me some lobsters." Well, you know what? They're tough to pick up, and it takes a lot of work. So I'll see you guys at the end of the video, and yeah, I'll have the Gladius Mini back very, very soon. Got the new motors in the mail, and like anything with salt water, it corrodes, and that's kind of what happened. But Gladius, the chasing company, had great support. So anyway, I'll do a whole new video on that. But enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you at the end. Well, it's always exciting to get a bunch of lobsters in the trap here. You know, it's exciting, and then you can bust out the measuring tool and see if they're legal. And I got one short, and these all, I remember these all looked almost legal. Too short. And let's get this last guy. And of course 3 shorts, and that's a bummer. But you know, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. On if you're beginning to lobster or something, you know, I hope this helps you. Having that little rope gaff is definitely essential. I used my regular gaff for years, and it's just too gnarly with the little pointy end, even with the rubber tip on it. But this is my workflow. If you guys you know, have any comments on how badly I do it, go ahead. I don't care. But you know, just wanted to show you guys, you know, some people are into it and how much work it takes to, you know, get these lobsters, and because it's not easy, and you're at night and can't see anything. And I definitely suggest having radar. I did it for years without it, and I'm actually getting my radar very soon. Just I'm over it. So so here we go, one last short one of the night, and I did end up fishing a little more, and I got 2 more, but the GoPro, or I got one of the knockoffs, the batteries just don't last more than 25 minutes, so I got to keep changing them. So, but anyway, I was pretty pissed off right there. Anyway, I got 4 at the end of the night. If you guys like this channel, like what I'm doing, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week.